road ventures on another camping trip this weekend, and this is our camping tote with all of our goodies in it. We've got camping supplies and cooking supplies and everything that we need, and we just keep it in here, which is great. Brandon did some great modifications. I'm going to show you what some of those are. Got a shelf here. Got a shelf back here. Got a shelf up here. This is our stove shelf for the Broman stove right there. It's perfect. We can kind of set some, whatever we need, just to kind of prep for our meals. So I'm excited to use it this weekend.
Oh, here comes the big boy. I wonder if you like salmon, because that's what's for dinner tonight. Salmon.